What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the mobile data not working in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. So tap on this icon to turn it on, and then tap on this icon again to turn it back off. Now after doing this, the mobile data issue will be fixed, but if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, tap on connections. Now here tap on mobile networks, and then tap on network mode, and from here set the network mode to 4G, and after that the mobile data will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and here tap on this power icon and then tap on restart. Now again tap on this restart icon here to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix the mobile data issue. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings. Scroll down and here tap on general management, and then scroll down and here tap on reset. Now tap on reset mobile network settings, and then again tap on this reset settings option here in the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings back to factory default, and after that the mobile data issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix if mobile data is not working in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.